Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I did this video earlier, but there was a couple of items that I did not recognize that have now been confirmed. They have been revealed. But so I wanted to go ahead and do this video. That way I corrected anything. Now I corrected it in the comments in that video, but for those who haven't seen it, I figured I'd redo the video. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track, do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now guys, let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my BoxyCharm November announcement. If y'all haven't seen that, y'all better go check it out. Congratulations, Ashley Lamora. Ashley says, #1 again, somehow you know when I have free time. Thanks for the content. Well, thank you for your support, Ashley. I really appreciate you having your bell on, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, remember to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. I'll stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick from that video. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and dive in. Now first, for the people who've already seen that video, I'm going to go ahead and reveal the ones that I didn't know about. That way you ain't got to sit through the whole video. So the first thing is the Murad AHA BHA exfoliating. This is a cleanser. I said it was a mask in the last video. This is a cleanser. Now the next thing, it is going to be the Sieste Moi Beauty Reflect Lip Gloss. So it's not going to be the Pacifica Beauty. I was confused between the both of them. Now the next thing is iBomb or IBOM Lemon Verbena Clay Mask. And then next is the, now I don't know how to say this, y'all. Y'all know I don't know how to pronounce anything. The Biorce, I don't know what that is. Liu Serum Soin Hydrant. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything, but that's that thing right here. And then the next thing is the Papa Recipe Eggplant Mud Cream Mask. And this next thing, I thought it said cola, but it is Sela Creme de la Creme. Alright guys, those were the items that I did not recognize. So there they are revealed. Now, the next things, and you already know about these if you already seen that video, is the Pure Leaf Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Primer Moisturizer. The next thing is the Huda Beauty Obsessions Topaz Palette. Then we have the Real Her 2 Do Your Squats Palette. Then we have the Makeup Geek, some kind of a highlighter. That one has still not been revealed yet. Then we have the Kaleido Cosmetics Obsidian Waterproof Eyeliner, Liquid Liner, sorry. And then the Lock Color Illuminating Unicorn Glow Primer. And if you missed the last spoilers, now, these are the things that you got to choose between. I'll just go ahead and show them to you anyways. The first thing is the Farrah Midnight Pro Trio Brushes. Next thing is Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Then we have the Huda Beauty Obsessions Palette in Warm Brown, so there is going to be variations. And then the Real Her 3 palette, I Feel Beautiful palette, sorry. So I guess those are going to be variations between those two palettes. You might get one or the other. But if you already picked, I'm pretty sure you already got one in your box. And that's it. That's all I got for you right now. But as soon as they reveal anything else, I will keep you guys updated. You know I keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Christy. Christy says, "Hey love, thank you for the great spoiler." Well, thank you, Christy. I really love and enjoy doing these videos for y'all. And I really appreciate you taking the time to comment and watch my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now remember guys, leave a comment if you yourself would like to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my likes, my comments. They're taking it all from me. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? Why don't you just comment? I would like to know why you're not subscribed. I mean, really, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you only got one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. if you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss no more videos. You'll be on top of all these spoilers. And I don't want to see nobody in the comments section saying, well, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.